Hey guys, welcome back here with another video. Today, I'm gonna do an unboxing video of my King Corbin. He finally came. I should order him Saturday, and he shipped on Monday. And he came today, and yeah, and let's get King Corbin open. I had to be really careful when I opened King Corbin because I saw. Oh my gosh, sorry about that, guys. Like I said, I saw WC Creator open it. And this King Corbin literally broke when he opened. So I had to be careful when I open my King Corbin. And I was open my King Corbin. So, oh my, look what Ringside Collectibles sent me. I ordered King Corbin. So, you see King Corbin? And this is what came in the box. We got Elite 82, which I found at Target, and then we got Elite 83. Elite 84, I really want that in the bars of Roman Reigns, Murphy, the 40 shades. Wow, but I'm keeping that. And we got more. And back. If you guys can see that, we got more. Fingers back. Anyway. And now I was waiting for this King Corbin. You see there, it says Series 83, WWE logo. Feature King Corbin, Elite Collection, King Corbin. It feature King Corbin, Elite Collection. Another picture of him, Elite Collection. And there in the top it says Series 83 Elite Collection. Another picture of him right there. King Corbin, and if you guys would like, you guys can pause and read it. And then we got, in the side we got Edge, Drew McIntyre, Dusty Rhodes, Sasha Banks, and King Corbin that we picked up. So I have to be really careful because I saw the release date squid here. King Corbin. Hopefully we open the package. Now let's open King Corbin. So Sunday I got Keith Lee, and I did an unboxing video on Monday. I opened it from here. I've been waiting for this King Corbin. He came in the morning. Oh my, did not destroy the package. I'm excited to open King Corbin. Oh my, this King Corbin. Anyway, here's the backdrop. Ooh, this is like the same one that we saw with Keith Lee. Backdrop. Yeah, that's the backdrop. Alright. That's a big King Corbin. So let's take out the interchangeable hands. They're much easier than the Keith Lee one. So yeah, they're much easier than the Keith Lee one. I'm excited for like King Corbin. I've been waiting for him. And now he's on ringside at $18 on sale for WrestleMania. So make sure to. If you want King Corbin, make sure to get him on ringside for sale for $18. Now let's get this hand open. Always this hand is hard to take out. Like with my Keith Lee, this one was hard to take out. That one was easier. Oh, there you go. It's easy now. I might take it off. Oh, there we go. So we got the interchangeable hands. As you see, we got two interchangeable hands. And you see, two interchangeable hands. And now let's get to the coat. His entrance jacket. This is really cool. His entrance jacket. King Corbin. Oh my, I almost fell the tripod. Anyway, here we go. There's interchangeable hands. We got, oh my, this is epic. I'm gonna put it in the video, so stay tuned. The entrance jacket that he wore, and his entrance, I really like it. They did a good job on this. Look at that. That looks so cool. I have to be careful because I saw WC Creator open it, and his thing broke, his King Corbin. I want to see where I'm gonna open it from. Maybe take out the crown. Oh, okay, I took out the crown. Oh my, that's epic. The crown comes with King Corbin. That's really cool. So I might have to be careful with King Corbin. Oh my, I hate when they have that, like that thing. The, I don't know why they do that, like you tie it. Right here, I hate when you do that, so I have to get my scissors and cut it off. Okay. Won't cut it off. I think cut it off. Anyway, let's just open this. So be really careful. I think. Oh, never mind. I think. Anyway, let's open King Corbin. Oh, there we go. We got the guy's hand out. Got King Corbin's hand out. The King of the Rings. Come out from the package. Oh my, yep, you're up. When you guys open this King Corbin, you gotta be careful because through these stage trigger, his King Corbin broke. So I'm being really careful when I open him. Oh my, look at that King Corbin. Sorry I'm taking a long time. I gotta be careful with my King Corbin. Try not to break him. Oh yes, good, did not break. So when you guys, make sure when you guys get a King Corbin, be really careful. So anyway, so we took out the package, put it inside the elite box. I'm not keeping the box like I said, because of COVID. I don't want to keep it until COVID gone. Maybe I may collect the boxes. Anyway. Let's get into the figure. Wow, this is an epic King Corbin. Well, let's get into his. I don't know what that is called, but I forgot. But anyway, I don't know if you could take it out. Can you take it off for him? I think you can. Let's keep it on for now, and then I'll try to see how. I'm not taking off the interchangeable hands. That's good for him. So here's the head scan of King Corbin. That kind of looks like him, and they did a really good job with this King Corbin. Do you see the head scan, his shirt, and this is the best King Corbin we got. The pants, do you see? I think it's at end of days, his move. And then you got a logo over there, and then look what he's saying. I think this is King Corbin. That's really cool. I like the outfit, the pants, just the boots. And yeah, and let's see how he looks with everything on. With everything. With the crown. Well, let's first put the jacket. Like I said, I was gonna put the jacket on in the end of the video. I don't even know how to put it on. I think like, let me try. I think I put it on. I think I put it on. Things like that, I don't know. I will try to see how they do it. Things like this. Yeah, things like that. It's weird because yesterday said it was gonna come Thursday and it came today. Anyway, oh my, that looks epic on him. His crown that he has doesn't really want to go on his head. Things like that. There we go. That's how King Corbin looks with everything on. That looks so epic. Oh, like this. King Corbin looks epic. Look at that. That looks epic. Put it like that. You don't fall. Anyway, that's how King Corbin looks. That looks so cool on him. That's how he looks with his entrance. And that's really cool. Ringside did not Ringside. The town did a good job there. You see, that looks awesome. Anyway, guys, I hope you like this video. Please leave a like, and please enjoy this video, and please leave a like on this video, and if you're new channel, please subscribe, and go sub to my other two channels, WISD Video Gaming and WISD Music Videos. Thank you for watching this video.